Good evening, folks. How you doing today? Today on the Science Show, we have world-renowned astronomer, Mr. Matthew Brown. Mr. Brown, how you doing today?
Doing fine, Tyler.
That's nice. Nice to meet you. Long time no see.
Yes.
It's been months since you've been on the show.
I know.
We got to get you back on. Me and Matt, we actually went to Harvard together. He was my roommate. This kid right here. Now, Matt, a couple of our online viewers had a few questions for you. Is it fine if we ask you a couple questions today, Mr. Brown?
Yeah, shoot them right at me.
Okay. We'll get started. Mr. Brown, our first question comes from our online viewer who's watching the program. The first question is there water on the planet Mars?
Well,
Could you answer our question?
yes, I can, Tyler. Scientists have discovered more evidence supporting the theory that liquid water is on Mars. The Mars Global Surveyors took pictures showing channels that were recently made on the Martian surface.
Okay.
Scientists say the channels are new, unlike previous pictures showing ancient channels made during the planet's formation.
And so to put it in layman terms, yes, there's water on Mars. Could we drink this water that's on Mars?
I wouldn't try it, Tyler.
Okay. Let's get to the second question. We got a little more time on our hands. Okay. The second question came in through email. Mr. Brown, the question was directed towards you. None of the fans like me. Well, Mr. Brown, the second question is Mars actually red?
Well, the short answer, why Mars is red, is that the planet is covered in rust. Iron oxide, to be exact. The iron oxide is simply a dust that covers the entire surface in varying depths. That dust is picked up by the wind and carried into the atmosphere, where it reflects the red part of the light spectrum and viola. Mars is the red planet.
I see. Mr. Brown. And looking at the time, looks like we have time for just one more question. We only have time for one more question. Let's see. This one was actually texted in from a fan, Mr. Brown. The last question. What is the size of the planet Mars?
Well, Tyler, the size is big. Just kidding. Little science humor. Mars, the fourth planet from the Sun, is the second smallest planet in our solar system.
Well, the second.
Yes.
What would be the first? What's the smallest planet in our solar system?
Well, Tyler, that is Mercury.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay.
Mars is about half the size of the Earth.
Okay.
But because Mars is a desert planet, it has the same amount of dry land as Earth.
Desert meaning having no water, like Sahara, or?
Yes, it has water, but it just has the desert of yeah.
Okay, well, looks like that's all the time we got here today, folks. Looks like we got to wrap it up, and I'll see you guys next weekend.